phela kuthina qala kube ithina sithi accord muse uyabhentsha ke yababa. This is Baba Dode. Yeah, bakithi akhona into engisafuna ukukhuluma la but yimbi kodwa afuna siyikhulume ngoba ufisa singayikhulumi abantu abaningi babhekene nami. As from today kumele ukwazi lo educated people are same as rich people. They hate or they dislike or they suppress uneducated and poor people. Angiqale phansi. Abantu abafundile bayefana nabantu abarich. Ababathandisisi kahle abantu abangafundanga futhi abantu abampofu. Basebenzisa izindlela eziningi ukubacindezela nokuba segregate kubona. What am I trying to illustrate is this? Lento lena ke wena start to build yourself up, not downward. Zikhulise wena ngoba labantu abafundile they do everything there to suppress you because you are not educated and you are not even rich. I have a proof. I have worked with educated people. There was a project associated in the UKZN with nama professors. The way they were segregating people who were poor and uneducated, it was unfair. It was unfair, very unfair. Those people are not even given a chance to say something in a meeting because they are poor. Who mentioned doctor because you don't understand, because you don't understand. That is why I could imagine poverty. Ni poverty. Manje ke. Into engiyishoyo ke. Abantu siyakubona lo na government usenza same element ukuthi labantu abangafundile ababe ama organs of political rallies. Angiqale phansi. Labantu abangabafundile ababa amathuluzi ogqugquzela imicimbi yezepolitiki. Akuyibona abalayishwe emabhasini, thwalandana abantu yonke indawo. Balandwe ngamabhasi. Bangazi ukuthi bazohlala, bangazi ukuthi bazodlana because they are poor. Abantu abapoor bacontrolwa abantu abafundile abanemali. Abantu abangenayo imali abangafundile they like children, they've got no say. And thereafter what I'm telling you is this: qala manje wena usebenze impilo yakho to grow it up. Ziningi izinto ngoba ukhubazekanga ungakwazi ukuzenza that will introduce yourself kubantu abanemali abafundile kubese kube wena obeka iprice yakho. Mase kube wena obeka iprice yakho. Abantu abafundile isikhathi esiningi abanawo ama skills, abanawo amakhono athize. Kunamakhono thina esinawo. Ukwakhiwa kwamagate ahamba ngesliding